Hello there, I'm Geraldine Herbert. In this video, I'll show you what you can do yourself to help keep your car running safely in between services. Engine oil helps lubricate, cool and protect your engine, so it's important that it is renewed regularly and its level is checked even more frequently. Failure to maintain the right oil level, both too low or too high, can result in extensive damage to your engine. With most vehicles, you can check the oil by using a dipstick. If your vehicle doesn't have a dipstick, follow the instructions in your owner's manual to check your engine oil level. If topping up your oil, remember that there are many different types of engine oil available. Consult your owner's manual or contact an approved garage to make sure that you use the correct grade. And remember, a yellow-orange oil can light on your dashboard means low oil level, so check it immediately. A red oil can light means low oil pressure, so stop the engine urgently, providing it's safe to do so.